In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the Kress Mapping Cart to assist customers in completing the iPilot robotic mower mapping process. To begin, download and open the Kress Fleet app, then log in. Next, press the Start button on the cart for 3 seconds to power it on. When the indicator turns from blue to green, it's ready. Open the app and go to Add Device. Scan the QR code and connect via Wi-Fi or 4G. Press and hold the Start button again for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. The indicator will turn solid blue. Tap Connect, and when prompted, select Pair to confirm. Pairing is complete. You can now name the device. After that, go to the Fleet Device page to check the firmware version and update if needed. Before mapping, scan the customer QR code in the RTKN app to link to the user, which is called Binding the Device. With the cart ready, the next step is to add the mower. Go to the user's page and select the user you want to serve. Tap Add Device to add the iPilot. Scan the mower's QR code and select the network. Power on the mower. Then hold the Start button for 3 seconds. When APP appears on the device, binding starts. Set the pilot name, select the location, and tap Confirm to complete the process. Before starting mapping, ensure all 3 indicator lights on the cart are green. Select the bound user, enter the Maps page, and tap Create Map. Confirm the location, name the map, and tap Confirm. Select the cart and tap Start to enter preparing mode. Move to an open area, mount your phone, and push the cart straight for at least 2 meters to calibrate RTK. When the app displays Check the Point and tap to start recording, you are ready to begin mapping the area. Then, move the cart steadily along the lawn boundary. If needed, tap Pause to stop recording. To resume, press Start again. Once mapping is complete, press Stop on the cart to finish. The data will upload automatically. After that, review the boundary, then name and save the map. If there are multiple zones, you will need to create connecting paths. Select Train a new path and choose Area to Area. Enter the starting area, set the path width, select the cart, and tap Start. Press the Start button on the cart to begin recording the path. Once finished, press Stop on the cart and name the path. After confirming, tap Confirm to complete the path creation. You can map additional zones using the same area mapping process for the target area. If a restricted area is required, select Train a new no-go zone. The workflow follows the same steps as area mapping. To add a charging station, select Train New Charging Station. Choose the charging station model, charger model, and cart. Then tap Start. After confirming the starting point, press the Start button on the cart. Push the cart straight into the charging base from approximately 1.2 to 1.5 meters in front, aligned with the QR code. Press Stop on the cart to finish recording, then name the charging station and save. If the charging station is outside the mapped area, select Train a new path and choose Area to Charging Station. The process is the same as creating area-to-area paths. After all maps are created, tap Publish. Then go to the charging station page, select the mower assigned to this station, and confirm. Make sure the map is set to active before assigning it. Once everything is set, the user can view the map in the RTKN app. Tap Start to begin mowing, or tap Home to return to the charging station. Mapping is now complete. With Kress, you're delivering a smarter, more efficient mowing solution. For further support, please contact the Kress team.